Hi, this is Dina, and today's QuickBooks tip is to turn on Show Bank Details in the bank feed. So if you look at this screen, right now what we're seeing is the bank's description of the transactions. And this looks like payee names. We've got My Gym Floor, we've got the UPS Store, Vision, Ace Hardware. But this payee field right here is the important field that you actually need to fill out in order to add these to your bank register in QuickBooks. So without a payee, you're missing a ton of information. And I see a lot of people skip this because they see these names over here and they think the payee is there. So what I recommend is that you go to the gear icon, scroll down, Show Bank Details is what you want to check. And what that will do is actually bring over the full funky details from the bank, and this is clearly not a payee name. So this will trigger you to know that you need to add the payee. Hope that helps.